In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add notes to scenarios in Make, so you can document your workflows clearly and keep your automations easy to maintain. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to make.com. Then sign into your account and access your workspace. Once you're in, click on Scenarios from the left navigation menu. Locate the specific scenario where you want to add notes, and click the scenario name to open it up in the Scenario Builder. Give the workflow canvas a moment to load completely so everything is ready for you to work with. Now, take a moment to review the workflow itself. Look at the modules, filters, and routes that make up the automation. This is where you'll want to identify areas that could really benefit from some documentation or explanation. Before you start adding notes, think about what information is most valuable to document. Consider the overall purpose of the workflow, what each module does, any setup instructions that might be needed later, troubleshooting tips, or even client requirements if this is a shared workspace. Having a clear plan for your notes will save you time. Head up to the Scenario Builder toolbar and look for the option to add a note or comment to the canvas. Click on that note option, and a note box will appear directly on your scenario canvas. Go ahead and drag that note to the area of the workflow it relates to. Place it right near the relevant modules so anyone looking at the canvas can quickly see what that note refers to. You can give the note a short title if you like, something like Lead Processing or Email Automation, just to make it easy to scan. Now for the main content. Write a detailed description that explains what that section of the workflow is doing and why. For example, you might note what event triggers the scenario, such as when a new form submission is received. Document any critical configuration details too, like required fields, API connections, or custom mappings. These are the details that are easy to forget. It's also smart to add troubleshooting notes, covering common issues and their solutions. This will be a lifesaver for future maintenance, especially if you or a teammate need to revisit the scenario months later. Make sure you use clear, plain language that other team members can easily understand, and avoid vague descriptions. At the same time, keep your notes concise. Focus on the essential information because long notes can clutter the canvas and make it harder to read. If you have different sections of the workflow, create separate notes for each one and place them near the modules they describe to keep everything visually organized and the canvas clean and easy to navigate. Once your note content is in place, read through it to check for accuracy and correct any outdated information. Then simply click outside the note or use the available save option and confirm that the content remains visible on the canvas. Don't forget to add notes for any complex filters or routing logic too. Explaining the purpose of those decisions now makes future edits so much easier. And that's it. You've now added clear, organized notes to your Make scenarios, turning complex workflows into something anyone on your team can understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.